can't hear Instagram video sound? So don't worry, today in this video I'll be talking about some of the fixes to fix this problem. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at this section of Instagram from where you'll be able to explore to various videos or tweets like this. So for example, if you want to hear the sound of this video like this, then you just can raise the volume by pressing over the volume button of your phone that can be on your left hand side. Or you can see there is a speaker right now muted option at the right bottom corner. You just can tap over there and the sound will be displayed or played and you will be able to hear that. This is the first fix, and the second fix is you need to know that not all the audio that are on the Instagram videos may be available on your region. So for example, if you are playing the audio of some other countries, then that audio may not be available on your region, so you won't be able to hear that audio, or the audio section will say that this music is not available on your region. So if that's the problem, then you won't be able to hear that music or hear that audio of the Instagram video. So this is the second thing, and this is the fix. Now the third thing is you just have to go back and you have to open up to Google Play Store, where you just have to tap on the search bar at the right upper corner and you just have to search for Instagram. And right now an update is available. You just have to tap over the update and it will take a few time to update. So if your Instagram application is up to date, then you will also be able to hear the music or fix this problem. Now you just have to wait for its update and you can go back and check your problem will be fixed. If you are able to fix this problem with these fixes, then that's okay. But if you are still unable to fix, then there's a last one fix remaining. The thing is you just have to go back and you have to open up to apps, and here simply press and hold on Instagram and go for app info. On the app info, go for storage and cache, and you just have to clear the cache. By doing that, Instagram will be refreshed and you'll be able to fix your problem. So these are the 4 common fixes to fix when you are unable to hear the Instagram video sound. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.